say hello to the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill, the versatile appliance that combines the power of grilling, air frying, and searing all in one compact design. Whether you crave the sizzle of a perfectly grilled steak or the guilt-free pleasure of crispy air-fried favorites, this indoor grill is your go-to solution. Let's dive into the features that make the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill a must-have for any kitchen. Here are the key features of Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Grill. Cyclonic grilling technology for perfect results. Experience the magic of cyclonic grilling technology, where 500 degrees Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air surrounds your food, ensuring even and precise cooking. This revolutionary technology delivers mouth-watering surround searing, creating delightful char-grilled marks and flavors. The 500 degrees Fahrenheit high-density grill grate further enhances the grilling experience, giving you results that are virtually smoke-free. Outdoor grill flavors on your countertop. Unlock the power of outdoor grilling right on your countertop with the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill. With BTU cooking power comparable to an outdoor grill, you can enjoy those beloved smoky flavors any day of the year, rain or shine. Now, you can grill your favorite dishes without stepping outside, making it perfect for all seasons. Forget about defrosting with rapid results. No need to plan ahead for defrosting your frozen food. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill can transform frozen items into perfectly char-grilled delights in under 25 minutes. Experience the convenience of quick and delicious meals without the wait. Indulge guilt-free with less fat. Indulge in your favorite fried foods without the guilt. The included 4QT crisper basket allows you to air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Relish in the crispy goodness of your favorite hand-cut, deep-fried French fries without worrying about excess oil. Easy cleaning for hassle-free cooking. Say goodbye to scrubbing and soaking. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill features PTFE, PFOA-free, non-stick ceramic-coated grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot, all of which are dishwasher-safe for effortless cleaning. Enjoy your culinary creations without the hassle of cleaning up. What's included and how to care for your grill? The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill comes with a 10 inches by 10 inches grill grate, a 4-quart crisper basket, and a 6-quart cooking pot, allowing you to prepare a variety of meals with ease. Additionally, you'll receive a chef-created 15-recipe book to kickstart your grilling adventures. To ensure the longevity of your grill, always unplug it from the wall outlet before cleaning. After cooking, keep the hood open to allow the unit to cool down more quickly. Take your grilling game to the next level with Ninja Foodi. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill is a game-changer for all grilling enthusiasts. Embrace the power of cyclonic grilling technology for perfect results every time, and enjoy outdoor grill flavors right on your countertop. With rapid cooking and air frying capabilities, you can create delicious meals in a flash, even from frozen foods. Relish in guilt-free indulgence with the option to air fry with less fat. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components, making your cooking experience truly hassle-free. Upgrade your culinary journey with the Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill, and savor the joy of grilling and air frying all year round.